If you mix an egg and a strawberry in soil, you will have a strawberry plant twice as quickly. If you make lots of holes in a plastic bottle and fill it with seeds, put a stick in the bottle and you can scatter your seeds easily. If you want free pineapples all your life, cut off the top of the fruit, remove a few leaves from the bottom, stick in 3 toothpicks and place it on top of a glass filled with water. You can plant it in a pot of earth in 6 to 8 weeks. Stick in a pot of earth, surround it with coconut fiber. Plant leaves of your choice around it and tie them around the broom with string. The plants will climb on their own and that will give you a beautiful decoration. If your husband gave you a rose but it is not straight in your vase, fold a large leaf like in the video and place the rose in the center. It will be held in place and much more presentable. If you cut the top of a plastic bottle and make lots of holes in it, put a piece of wood inside, fill all the holes with rosemary branches and put soil in the middle. Water and you will have a small rosemary shrub that will grow like a real tree. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the organic link, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.